How else can I get chemicals to mix faster? Franco.
Have more.
Have more of them.
Yeah.
Agree?
Yes.
Hello? So when we're on the dance floor at the Cardinal Dance Club on Friday nights, or when you're 21 on Friday nights, if I have more people on the dance floor, is it going to be more likely that they're going to hit each other?
Yep.
And if I have 5 people on the dance floor, they're not likely to hit each other, correct?
Right.
Okay. The second way to increase or change the speed of a chemical reaction is something called concentration. What does concentration mean? What?
The amount of something in a certain space.
Sure. It's kind of sort of like density, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if I have a, you don't have to draw this. If I have water and I put salt in it,
Right.
here's salt. Which one is more concentrated?
The one on the right.
The one with more salt in it, right?
Right.
These brackets mean concentration. High concentration. This one would be
Low concentration.
low concentration.
Right.
If you don't know what those brackets mean, are you going to make a note yourself? Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
You should. So then when you start studying for the test, you come back and see brackets, you'll have no idea what that means, right? Anyone take a guess? What's going to happen? What are you going to draw?
Oops.
3 beakers again.
Okay.
Ow.
And each of them has hydrochloric acid in them. But different concentrations. You'll learn this in chemistry why it is, but the way of measuring concentration is something called molarity. You don't have to know what that means, but you'll learn that later. The first beaker has 0.2 molar hydrochloric acid. That's just a way of measuring concentration. This is 3 molar, right?
Right.
And this is 6 molar. That means this one's the most concentrated, that's the least concentrated. And to each one I'm going to put a piece of chalk. Well, by the way, where do you where have you used hydrochloric acid in your daily life?
Pencils.
You use this hydrochloric acid every single day,
So,
every hour, every day.
air.
You breathe it.
No? That'd be really good. Who said it? It's in your stomach.
That's what I thought. I said it.
No, you didn't. This is how you break down food. So this is a really, really, really strong acid.
So what would happen if you just drank it right now?
Probably
Like,
die.
would you have like a battle of your hydrochloric acid go down?
No, I'd probably just die. And if you touch the stuff, I should really be using goggles and gloves, right?
Why? You should be, but
Because this could, if you spill this on yourself, you can actually burn your skin and disintegrate your clothes. It's 12. And you can tell that it's strong because when I dump it into a beaker, I really probably should be doing this under the hood.
get some gloves.
And I really need gloves for this, but I'm gonna risk it.
Really? Really?
Yeah. This would burn my finger like almost off.
Really?
I'm ready to call
Is
that.
he joking?
No, he's not.
Look at it. Everybody see?
Good job. Pencil on it.
It's kind of smoking. We don't have to count for this one. I just want you to watch. I also want you to watch for evidence of a chemical reaction. Ready?
Yep.
So So this is what dissolves all your food in your stomach.
Well, what's the concentration of the stuff in our
And your stomach is about 6, so it's about like this.
Dang,
It's really strong. So when you throw up, what happens to your throat? It burns. Guess why?
how'd you cope?
That's coming up too.
I thought it was gonna taste
This is what would happen if we ate chalk.
Wait, so would it burn
Yeah.
if you touched the puke after it came out?
Ready, go. Oh, isn't that boring?
That's so.
Do you have any evidence of chemical reaction?
There's some bubbles.
There's some bubbles. That means there's gas. Do we start with gas?
No.
At least most people didn't. You know? But we're getting gas. That means it's not a physical change. It's a right. Boring. All right. Let's see what happens when I put it in 3 molar. Shut up. Who said dang?
Travis.
Liquid. Oh! Oh!
Quicker.
Yeah, it's floating.
Homemade.
It's floating.
Quicker.
Oh, look at all the bubbles.
Okay, we'll let that go.
It's like a bubble bath.
6 molar.
Stick your finger in it if on.
Prediction. We predict this would be the biggest. Do we actually make a prediction? I forgot.
No.
Ready? 6 molar.
Dang.
It's already floating. Yep. Kind of. There's other things going on. All right.
12.
I'm scared of this guy. 12 molar.
What are
You
the
should
bubbles
probably put it
called?
down
Can
and do
anybody
it.
see it smoking up front?
No.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's smoking.
Put it on the table.
It's giving off stuff. Ready? Yeah, that's a good idea. Ready?
No, he's faking. He's faking. It's not gonna do anything. Watch.
Wouldn't it be funny if it was just water? I should have done that. That'd be funny.
Look at him. It's not gonna do anything. Oh.
Feeling stupid.
Good
Can't see
one.
their face over it.
Whoa.
Hey, could you turn it?
Yeah, you have the tape change.
Oh, sorry.
What are the bubble goes
The
up?
bubbles are bigger, looks like. All right, so let's give me a sentence that describes what happened here. Give me a sentence that describes this.
Larger concentration, faster reaction.
Nice.
God, you are just.
When you increase,
We could both have a little backup lead up.
I know, increase the concentration, what happens?
More reaction.